Hi, Tukes. Can you step up? Oh no, he wants to be sour. You want to be a sour birdie today. Okay, well, stop looking at yourself. Oh. Okay. You're just so cute. Step up. That is not nice, Tuco. We do not bite. You never bite your elders. You're just adorable thing, aren't you? And no more looking at yourself, please. No. Tuco, it's time. Don't you want to have your zoomies? Step up. No. Okay. See, they're little Sour Patch Kids. They're little Sour Patch Kids. Yes, you guys are little. Oh, he just attacked me. Okay. Step up. Oh. Jeez. Here. You can tell that they're sweet to sour. Tuca, you want some squishies? See? Look how cute he can be. And when I tell him he just wants to bite. That's all he wants to do. Step up. Ow. Okay, do not go where you bit me last time. You know it didn't end up well. You know that, right? You know that, right? Tuco Salamanca. Isn't he just adorable? He's so cute. I'm gonna watch. Tuco, guess what? I'm going to watch the Mario Galaxy movie. At the feeders. Yeah. Now, can you step up for me? No. He still wants to bite. Man, what a snippy bird. You got an attitude. But all you guys are sour and sweet. Everybody knows that. Yeah, he's just so cute. You saw the shorts when he was singing. Here, let's step up. Or not. You're just so adorable, Tuco. I don't understand how. You're adorable. Everyone knows that you're adorable. Oh, I accidentally zoomed in a little too much. There we go. Okay. Tuco, what you doing, baby? Gonna try and get you to step up. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean. I'm sorry. He's this adorable little buddy. So what you gonna do? Just gonna stay there the whole day again? Yeah? Oh, shoot. I forgot you could get up there. All those shenanigans. Because that's the highest spot in my room, not my bed. I mean, you could tell that he's been up here. And that's where I sleep. Well, I sleep down there, but... Tuco, hey, we're not going to go up there today, okay? We're not going to go up there today. We're not going to go up there today, alright? Tuco, we're not going to go up there today. So I think we should get you down. We're not going to go up there today. Whenever I tell him to get down, he always swoops down and tries to eat me like a pterodactyl. You're just adorable little birdie. Oh, of course he doesn't listen. Okay, I'm gonna try and get him down. But watch how angry he gets when I try and get him. Hold on, wait, I'm gonna just see, so. Yeah. Whoa! Okay. Bro just perched up on my phone. We do not do that. No. No, we do not do that on my phone, Tuco. We're gonna step up. Actually, wait, no, I don't trust him with this arm. Come in. Okay, sorry, guys. So, Tuco. You ready to say goodbye? No? 5 more minutes? Step up. No. Tuco, you never step up on camera. You were just stepping up on me. Okay. You got a lot of explaining to do later today. So I'm gonna see the Galaxy movie. Okay? And none of these shenanigans. Watch him, like he knows I'm trying to. Oh, he literally just tried to say scrim. By the way, look at my shirt, silver. Tuco, can you step up? Oh my gosh! Scary! You attacked me. Tuco, say hello. Don't worry, guys. Silly Pickle videos are coming soon. I accidentally pressed the pause button. Oh my gosh. Alright, get back on your bar. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, Tuco, you ready to say bye-bye? Say bye. Here, step up for me. No, Tuco, we do not... Well, guys, he's clearly not going to say goodbye to you guys. But bye, guys. See you in the next video. Tuco, say bye. Bye. Alright, step up for me just once. At least I got it on short one time. But bye, everybody.